kang damit, kaya pakalat-kalat ka ditong nakahubad?
Stop complaining as if you're not enjoying this view. And I own this house, so I can do whatever I want.
Ganyan yung suot mo.
Wow! Gusto mo pala ako maghubad, no? Sabi ko na nga, be. Nanasahan mo.
Pero oo, matagal ko nang pinagnanasahan. Na isuot mo to habang nagtatrabaho.
Paano nandiyan ka ba?
Wait. Di ba ikaw magtuturo sa akin? So teach me how to be me. Oh.
You know, she's tough. But she's caring.
I know, let's go.
Anong ginagawa niya sa kapatid ko?
She really fights for the people that she loves. You know what surprised me? Kahit lagi kami nagbabanggaan, she saw right through me.
Nandito tayo para sa mga taong nagmamahal sa atin at umaasa sa atin.
Nakita niya na pwede ako maging mabuting tao. You know, come to think of it, sa kanya lang talaga ako nakapag-open up completely.
You know, at first, wala naman talaga akong pakialam eh. Sa makuha ko lang yung gusto ko, okay na ako. Ano yun, nawala si Lola. That really changed everything. And siguro that's when I learned that money can't buy us happiness.
She even made me stutter, you know? Sana maniwala siya sa lahat ng nararamdaman ko para sa kanya. Na hindi ko talaga siya niloloko.
Hey, are we still talking about Amy? Kilala nga kita, bro. Hindi mo kayang dayain yung sarili mo. Si Ina pa rin laman niya, no?
You know, I don't know kung kailan ako papakinggan ni Ina. But I have to be honest with Amy.
Kung naman kasi, sana hindi ka na sumagot-sagot sa daddy mo para hindi ka na nasaktan.
Ina, you're all I have right now. Gusto ko malaman mo na ilalaban pa rin kita kahit na lahat kakalabahan ako. Even my own father, Ina. That's how much I love you.
I want to get even, Mommy. Gusto kong pagsasampalin si Ina, sipain, sapakin!
Salo talagang babaeng yun. Ahas, na matindi ang kamandag. At sabay pa niyang natuklaw, sina Yuan at Francis.
Nung naitulak ko si Ina, bakit di pa siya nalunod? Sana tuluyan na lang siyang namatay!
Amy? Nagsinungaling ka pa? Kung ano-ano ang dahilan mo, yun pala, you're the one who almost killed Ina?
Yuan, no, Yuan. Natakot lang ako umamin sa'yo. But believe me, I didn't mean to push her.
Kahit pa, Amy. Alam mo ba, sobrang natakot ako nung nakita ko si Ina. Halos wala na siyang malay. You know, I could have never forgiven you kung may nangyaring masama sa kanya.
Sandali. Bakit ba mas concerned ka pa kay Ina? Si Amy ang girlfriend mo. Kaya dapat siya ang kinakampihan mo.
I know. But I'm sorry because this is how I truly feel.
Yuan, please.
Amy, I don't want to be unfair to you. Let's put an end to this. You'll never be happy with me. I'm sorry.
No, no.
Goodbye.
Yuan, please, no. Yuan, please, no. Mami.
Ina, kahit buong mundo pa yung mag-reject sa akin. I don't care. As long as you are with me. Ina, I need you. Sana tanggapin mo ako. All I ask is a chance na mapakita at maparamdam ko sa'yo ang pagmamahal ko, Ina. Paulit-ulit kong ipapangako sa'yo na hindi kita sasaktan o iiwan. Mahal kita, Ina. I'm the one who truly loves you. So please, Ina, please just give me a chance. Give me a chance, Ina, please. Mahal kita, Ina, please just give me a chance. Please, Ina. Please. Please.
You were my savior. You've been with me sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko. And ngayon, gusto ko naman iparamdam sa'yo na nandito rin ako para sa'yo.
Is that it?
Hello mga kapuso! Enjoy your favorite GMA Pinoy TV programs including Shining Inheritance on YouTube TV for only $14.99 per month. Plus, you can also access the GMA Live TV and GMA News TV channels for more news and lifestyle updates. Kaya subscribe na mga kapuso!